Orthodontics combined with orthognathic surgery allows for the correction of dentofacial deformities that cannot be treated with orthodontics alone. It is indicated in cases with severe skeletal discrepancies, such as retrognathism, prognathism, asymmetries, or respiratory problems associated with obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. The goal is not only functional, but also aesthetic, to restore facial harmony, improve occlusion, and optimize the health of the stomatognathic system. To achieve this, a precise evaluation is required, based on clinical, photographic, and cephalometric analysis, along with records in all three planes of space. It is essential to assess the proportions of the facial thirds, the midline, the nasolabial angle, the profile, and mandibular dynamics. Dysfunctional habits, airway alterations, or skeletal deviations that compromise occlusal stability must also be identified. All of this allows for a comprehensive diagnosis that guides the joint planning between the orthodontist and the maxillofacial surgeon. The treatment must be individualized and agreed upon by both parties. In young patients, growth potential is assessed to determine the optimal timing of intervention. In adults, the intervention focuses on re-establishing stable maxillomandibular relationships. Taking records in centric relation, using deprogramming splints, and virtual simulation are key to predicting outcomes and reducing the risk of relapse.